Hi everyone, my name is Cédric Buzet. I'm sales for Delmia brand. Today I'm going to try to give you an overview about an Airbus use case, the 3D Experience Manufacturing Twin. So as you can see on my screen, I'm using a 3D Lean dashboard, and it's more or less the same dashboard that I'm using on my day-to-day business with my customer. And I always start with a small agenda and I check my objective with my customer. Today, the goal for this presentation is to give you an idea about how to pitch the usage of the 3D Experience Twin, what to sell to your customer, and I will end my presentation talking about a number and how to make money with this approach. Few words about the context. Our discussion with Airbus started 2 years ago when we decided to showcase a new business approach based on outcome delivery. And we start evaluating with them some concrete business challenge that they were facing on their production system. They gave us 4 topics to study. The multi-physics test in the context of the manufacturing process, the rate adaptation of a final assembly line, the way to introduce a new robot on the line, and the move the line challenge that consists in a replication of an existing line in Germany and to take it from Germany to Toulouse. So for my presentation today, I'm going to focus on this mission, the move the line. Each time we start a new mission in a new plant, we have industrialized with our partner Simpa a methodology to quickly prepare all the data we need to feed the 3D Experience platform and the 3D Experience Manufacturing Twin. So we call it the data retrieval phases, and it consists of setting up all the minimum viable data you need using the PPR, Product Process Resources concept from Delmia. We also at the same time perform a 3D scan of the factory. It's an easy way to access quickly in the platform to the first digital representation of the factory. So in these setup phases, the key point is to be able in less than 1 month to have everything on the cloud ready to prepare a first what we call the setup restitution. So we put all the data, and in parallel we run a Delmia maturity assessment with the Delmia consultant team. So at the first restitution, more or less 1 month after the kickoff of the project, you are able to present a concrete contribution of the Delmia application and our portfolio, how to solve their problem. You base your analysis on their data. You explain also which kind of problem you have experimented making the data retrieval and which kind of data you have been obliged to clean. It's at this moment you speak the same language and you have 100% of their attention. So it's a very important point. The first one is perform a Delmia maturity assessment and know better your customer problem. To be concrete about how it works, let's switch and let's move to a 3D experience dashboard. So here you are on the 3D Experience dashboard with the community of this particular team. And you see through an ideation pipeline here all the trades that they need to make and all the ongoing projects that they need to study in this Move the Line project. And they also use the community to exchange information about a new process. They send photos, they explain their problem or what need to be studied. All the stakeholders of the project make a regular meeting on the platform, follow all the tasks, put all the results of the analysis and the study. And for instance, here you have a dashboard representing a restitution meeting where several teams are explaining their result. For instance, the logistic team is giving after 12 simulation the better sequence to make this logistic change near the plane. Here you have the manufacturing engineering team making more simulation and reviewing completely the new sequence and the new routing, and updating also all the work instruction coming with this new routine. The time for the line balancing team, we are reviewing all the time of the routine, and we also experiment with some team station leader the way to put directly the worker in a virtual reality mode. Coming back to my 3D Lean board, based on the same principle that the one that you just can see in this dashboard, we have defined, based also on the industry process experience available from the aeronautics, space and defense industry, we have defined a complete service catalog with a partner. 5 level of detail from an industrial system to the resource, defining the kind of model we need, and also 3 level of maturity. The first one, when you make the model and when you are able to use this model for simulation and to make some trade. Then when you have a good model, you could start putting some reality on some work order in this model and to see how this model is reacting, see if your model is a good model. It's what we call the integrated model, or the calibration that you make with the model with new set of services. And the last level, and the one that we want to reach with the customer, it's what we call the connected mode model. So here your virtual model is able to be connected with the reality. You have several examples of those services here, and I'm not going to enter in the detail of all of them. We could came back later. And but my main message at this point is as soon as you start engage within the platform on the cloud with your customer and based on the customer data, you are in a position to disrupt the way of working with them and bring real value through new services. So the good part of the story start now, because when the team was supporting the Move the Line project, we heard about new services for new users called MyS at Work that Delmia Brand was testing on a lead customer. And because of all the data we already have on the digital twin of this Move the Line project, we were able quickly to discuss musculoskeletal disease, and we discovered that safety at work was a real challenge at Airbus. So with these services and with all our data, we have started to propose to have a MSD calculation index, something that immediately makes sense for some stakeholder in Airbus, and we have upsell those index. So a complete outcome service and a great upsell of application. And the story is not finished. In December, we were able to discuss with Airbus about a new area, the life cycle assessment. And because of all the data we have in the digital twin platforms, we were able to quickly demonstrate, in this case with 2 other brands, Katia and Exalead, how to rate manufacturing process, or in this case, it's a composite process, and how to rate it in eco-efficient mode. So here you have an example of a process that cost 12 tons of CO2 to be produced, regarding all the parameters of this process. So this is a quick win. We make this demonstration in 2 weeks, more or less, and this demonstration in 2 weeks has been already reached the attention of the CEO of Airbus. So as a conclusion, you see that the 3D experience manufacturing twin approach, it's a real game changer, and for me it's also a very smart way for doing business and experience relationship. It's helping our customer to better design their factory and their production system, and that's what we do for a long time now. But it also opens a new business opportunity, helping them to offer a better collaboration across the twin and put the people in the center of their preoccupation. Finally, 3D Experience Digital Twin is also probably the best solution to support sustainable operation. So start to build your customer manufacturing twin, operate your twin with great industrial services, and use the IFWeLoop manufacturing community to sell. In 3D Lean, we never end a meeting without reviewing the action log and the next step. So the action log and the key takeaway for me from this presentation, it's first one, start by perform a Delmia maturity assessment, and knowing it's your customer and the pain of your customer, it's very important to make business. Second, engage as soon as you can with the platform. Now it's on the cloud, it's easy, it's quick, and it's really a good way to make business. And last one, use the 3D Experience Digital Twin to upsell new services. And if I review my agenda, we talk about how to pitch a 3D Experience Manufacturing Twin. We, I think, cover the what to sell and how to sell and how to start. The only point that it's still missing, it's how much money to expect. So quickly here, I can share with you the number and the figure for Airbus. In this case, 2D, you see that the software revenue for one plant was around 100K in yearly subscription on the cloud. And the upsell part of Miles at Work has generated 40K on the top of the 100K. So this 100K and plus the 400K euro services was for one plant and more or less three mission. So the first one is probably the most complicated one. Now the objective for this year is to reach and to replicate in 5 plants and perform around 15 mission and reach 700K euro yearly subscription. Our goal in year 2 is to reach 2.8 million euros yearly subscription services and software on this area for this customer. Thank you very much for your attention, and don't hesitate to contact me if you want more detail about this particular use case. Goodbye.